Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Frame AI. First, log into your Frame AI account. You'll land on the dashboard, which provides an overview of your customer feedback. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and its various sections. You can see recent trends and important metrics at a glance, helping you quickly grasp your customer sentiment and identify areas for improvement. Next, explore the Insights section to dive deeper into your data. Here, you can analyze customer feedback by topic, sentiment, and channel. Use the powerful filtering options to narrow down your focus, perhaps looking at feedback from a specific product or service. This allows you to pinpoint exact areas needing attention and understand the root causes of customer issues. To optimize your workflow, consider setting up custom dashboards. These allow you to monitor the metrics most important to your team, such as a 15% increase in positive feedback or a 2/3 reduction in negative comments. You can also configure integrations with your existing tools, like your CRM or support desk, to ensure a seamless flow of information and enhance your overall efficiency. Finally, remember to regularly review your Frame AI insights. Consistent analysis helps you adapt your strategies and make data-driven decisions. Share key findings with your team and other departments to foster a customer-centric culture. By continuously leveraging Frame AI, you can ensure your customer experience consistently improves, leading to greater satisfaction and loyalty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.